Ready to turn your TikTok feed into a shoppable storefront. First, log into your Shopify account and navigate to the Apps section on the left-hand side of your dashboard. It's usually near the bottom. Now click on Apps and Sales Channel Settings. Then click on the Shopify App Store button in the search bar. Type TikTok to find the official TikTok app. Find the TikTok app URL, look for the one officially by TikTok Inc. URL and click the Install button. Shopify will then ask for permissions for the TikTok app to access your store data. Review these carefully and then click Install App to proceed. You'll be redirected to the TikTok for Business Setup screen now. You'll need to connect your TikTok account. So click the Connect TikTok button and follow the prompts to either log into your existing TikTok account or create a new one. Make sure it's a TikTok business account. With your account linked, you can now set up your TikTok shop and product catalog directly from Shopify. Head over to the Products tab within the TikTok app to sync your items. And that's it. Now you can create engaging TikTok ads and boost your product sales by clicking on the Marketing tab. Get ready to watch those sales skyrocket. #ShopifyTikTok, #ECOMMERCE Marketing.